Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a really cool car, very unique 1976 Chevette. You don't really see these around, huh?
No, not too often.
Very unique. So tell us a little about it.
It's got a, it's an original 7,000 mile car.
Wow.
It has a JA Performance 421 small block Chevy. It's a dark block steel. It is Dart aluminum Pro 1 heads, Dart intake.
What kind of compression?
It's got 10.5 to 1 compression, runs on pump gas.
Cool.
It's got a turbo 400 transmission in it.
What kind of stall?
It's got a 2800 stall speed converter. It's got a Ford 9-inch with 456 gears with a Detroit locker in it.
What kind of axles?
It's got strange axles in it.
Spline?
31 spline. It's got original fuel tank in it that's been shortened.
Wow.
Keep the car original.
Sure.
What else can we tell you about it?
Kind of exhaust?
It's got Flowmaster mufflers on it with 3-inch exhaust. Motor made just under 680 horsepower.
At the wheel?
No, at the dyno.
Wow. What kind of transmission is it? Is it like a Freddie Brown, a Monster?
Select.
Select, okay.
Select built the transmission.
Sitting on those old school center lines, man.
Yeah, it's old school.
I had those on my Galaxy.
Yeah.
My first car. Mine weren't polished though. They're really hard to find and polished. I know some customers that restored cars and trying to bring it back to that 90s look. But they're real expensive. So we have disc up front, drum in the rear?
Yes.
Okay. It's a 4-link setup?
Yep.
Ladder bar? Man, this body is beautiful. Jeez. So brand new, I guess, this car, and then they made it a race car right away, huh?
Yeah, it's
light. How much does it weigh?
I think it weighs 2,800 pounds. The way it's set up now with the driver, with me in it.
Man, she must move, huh?
Yeah, it goes straight. It really does.
Pull straight.
Never ran it. It's not set up for nitrous. The other motor that was in it was a nitrous motor. It's all plumbed. This motor can handle nitrous, but it is not.
It runs real good.
Yeah,
you know, just normally aspirated.
There's no nothing hooked up.
This body is as perfect as it can get. Definitely looks like all original sheet metal. Original moldings. And black too. It's hard to keep. In the back we got P325s, 50R15s, Sportsmans. These look brand new. Dart high rise. What size is the car? 750?
Yes.
Custom matters, man. Love how these go up and around into the wheel well. Fender well. Nice big aluminum radiator. Is it a Be Cool radiator? Looks custom.
No, it is a custom radiator. They made it because you can see with the lower.
Yeah, look at the notches and stuff.
Make that fit.
Yeah. Nice shroud is custom made too.
Yeah, put that air shroud on it to keep the car cool. Car runs 180 degrees all day long.
Wow.
Even like last month in July, when it was hot. Sitting in traffic, doing a couple shows in Belmore and stuff.
Yeah.
Never overheated.
It's great. So
my other car, I couldn't run. I couldn't run it this time of year.
Yeah, my Chevelle I can't run really.
No, it's forget it. It's way
too hot.
Too hot.
It's fine. I like how it has a manual fan. It's awesome. Serpentine System. Built right.
Mm-hmm.
We fired up?
Yeah.
Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check us out online at weebyautos.com or simply give me a call. Thanks a lot for joining the car. Beautiful.